Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.53, which is a notable spike compared to our historical baseline. This indicates a shift in sentiment that could signal a turning point in your analysis. Our API returns detailed sentiment insights, including semantic clusters, to help you understand the nuances behind the data. In this case, we're observing a momentum of plus 0.00 and 6 semantic clusters, suggesting a stable environment, but with a surprisingly optimistic sentiment. Imagine you're developing a trading strategy based on social media sentiment. This spike could inform your entry points or risk management strategies. To dive deeper into this data and explore its implications, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.